Breaking news from the District of Entertainment and Muppetry.
The Commission for Responsible Muppetry has reportedly obtained an emergency order for the temporary sequestration of Megan FOXMAMA. According to the filing, Megan FOXMAMA has been classified as a protected party and ordered to report to a secure, undisclosed CRM facility. The stated reason? Muppet safety, evidence preservation, and the growing threat of garbage Pail Kid escalation. This is what happens when internet commentary, emergency motions, poultry evidence, and felt-based public safety all collide in one courthouse. The document is an emergency ex parte motion from the Commission for Responsible Muppetry.
Feel free to review the actual filing if interested.
The case number, 25 Fun 2025, in the United States District Court, District of Entertainment and Muppetry. So right away, we know this is not a standard federal docket. This is a courthouse where the bailiff probably has googly eyes, and the stenographer may or may not be a chicken. The CRM asks the court to order Megan FOXMAMA into temporary protective custody. The purpose is described as sequestration, protective accommodation, and preservation of testimony. In plain English, the CRM wants her separated from the general public, co-defendants, and Muppet-adjacent chaos while the alleged Muppet safety issues are reviewed. The filing points to a public statement allegedly made by Megan FOXMAMA on November 5, 2025. The quoted statement is, "It will be hilarious. Maybe I'll make a new music video out of them. It'll be great." So, Muppets are out. Garbage Pail Kids are in.
It will be hilarious. Maybe I'll make a new music video out of them. It'll be great. So, Muppets are out. Garbage Pail Kids are in. That's what has happened. Muppets out. Garbage Pail Kids in.
That appears to be the central trigger. The CRM apparently interpreted that as more than a joke. To the ordinary viewer, Muppets out, Garbage Pail Kids in might sound like a harmless content pivot. To the Commission for Responsible Muppetry, it appears to have sounded like a declaration of hostilities. The Muppets were out, the Garbage Pail Kids were in, and somewhere in a sealed office, a felt-covered risk assessment was probably opened. The CRM requested several things from the court. First, it wanted Megan FOXMAMA declared a protected party under expedited Muppet safety protocols. Second, it wanted her directed to report immediately to a redacted secure facility. Third, it requested authority for temporary custodial care. Fourth, it asked for separation from co-defendants and the general public. And fifth, it asked for controlled access by counsel and approved investigators. That is a very formal way of saying, we need to put this person somewhere safe before the Muppet situation gets any weirder. The CRM believes the situation has already crossed the normal weirdness threshold. The filing refers to coordinated acts of slapstick interference, poultry trafficking, prop sabotage, and on-stage conspiracies. Those are not phrases you usually see in emergency litigation. But in this filing, they are treated like serious risk factors. Megan is connected in the document to alleged poultry concealment, unauthorized green room access, and food hoarding. The CRM says this raises concerns about witness contamination. Specifically, egg and feather evidence where the facts are pure Muppet chaos. Witness contamination is real. Egg and feather evidence is not something most courts are built to handle before lunch. The CRM argues that immediate action is necessary. It claims public performance schedules create an imminent risk of contact with co-defendants and witnesses. It claims informal attempts at separation have already failed, and it claims the ongoing situation may interfere with Muppet safety and the orderly resolution of pending matters. Emergency ex parte relief is supposed to be narrow. Courts generally do not like acting without giving the other side a chance to respond. So the CRM tries to make the request sound careful. It asks for limited custody. It asks for access to counsel. It asks for a prompt hearing. It asks the court to retain jurisdiction. Then the filing adds poultry, props, Muppets, and garbage Pail Kids. The order says the motion was considered, and good cause appeared. It orders Megan FOXMAMA to report forthwith to the redacted CRM secure facility. The location remains under seal. A status hearing is to be set separately. The judge signing the order is listed as Honorable Felticus R. Stitch. Felticus R. Stitch is not here to tolerate witness tampering, poultry concealment, or unsafe folder storage. Not on his docket, not in his district, not while the Muppets remain at risk. This filing introduces the Muppets with Disabilities Act, the MWDA. This statute allegedly protects Muppets with conditions such as floppy limb syndrome, chronic felt fatigue, googly eye misalignment, and uncontrolled spontaneous musical outbursts. Now, the key part is Section 103, which discusses unsafe workplace conditions, including storing Muppets in dark closets, folders, or drawers between roles. That matters because another quote attributed to Megan is, "Just put your Muppets in a folder."
Listen, just put your Muppets in a folder.
And under the MWDA, that could be a problem, because put your Muppets in a folder sounds like a casual online comment. But once the statute says folders are unsafe Muppet storage, suddenly the comment becomes Exhibit A. The transcript also references another alleged comment from Yamaha Biker. "Step aside, Muppets. Garbage Pail Kids are back in town." That supports the broader theory presented in the report. This is no longer just one isolated comment. The CRM appears to be investigating whether there is a larger anti-Muppet movement. The theme is simple: Muppets out, garbage Pail Kids in. Folders may be unlawful storage. Poultry evidence may be compromised. And the Muppet Bureau of Investigation is refusing to comment, which is exactly what agencies say when things are serious or when the felt has hit the fan. So, as of this breaking update, the Commission for Responsible Muppetry claims Megan FOXMAMA has been ordered into temporary protective sequestration. The alleged threat involves Muppet safety, garbage Pail Kid escalation, potential poultry evidence, and possible violations of the Muppets with Disabilities Act. The Muppet Bureau of Investigation has reportedly declined to comment on the ongoing investigation, which, legally speaking, means one thing. When your internet comments trigger a sealed Muppet safety proceeding, the bit has officially escaped containment. Stay tuned. Because if the CRM files a supplemental motion over exploding penguins, unsafe custard storage, or folder-based confinement, we will be here to cover it. Caesar commands it.
If you like this content, then kindly hit like, subscribe, and share. Caesar commands it.